Are you ready for your exams? Are you ready for JAMB UTME 2026? Now, if you're taking biology in JAMB UTME 2026, come closer. Let's answer this question on genetics. I know genetics comes out every single year. Okay, questions come out on genetics every single year. Now, let's answer this question on genetics. In humans, the ability to roll the tongue, capital letter R, is dominant over the inability to roll the tongue, small letter r. A man who can roll his tongue, but whose father could not roll his tongue, marries a woman who cannot roll her tongue. What is the probability that their first two children will both be able to roll their tongues? We have option A, 0, B, 1/4, C, 1/8, D, 1/6. 1/16 rather. Which one is the correct answer? Now I'm going to give you 10 seconds, okay? Let me know your answer. Write your answers in the comment section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which of the options did you choose? If you chose option A, you are wrong. If you chose option B, that's right. You are correct. Option B is the correct answer. Now, let's listen to the explanation by our biology teacher, Mr. Collins. By the way, if you've not joined our JAMB UTME online classes, our 2026 JAMB UTME online classes, where we have expert teachers who are committed, who want to help you excel in JAMB UTME 2026, join us today. Send me a WhatsApp message now and join us today. Join others who are preparing seriously to ace JAMB UTME this year. And the fee just 2,000 naira per subject per month. Join us and ace JAMB UTME in 2026. Now let's listen to Mr. Collins Obong explain to us why option B is the correct answer.
Now, capital R is talking about a situation whereby the man can roll his tongue. And small r is talking about a situation whereby the person cannot roll his or her tongue. From the information here, we see that the father cannot roll his tongue. The mother too cannot roll the tongue. And he got married to somebody, a woman too, that cannot roll the tongue. So she is going to be small r, because the recessive small r shows that she cannot roll the tongue. But the capital R shows that the person can roll the tongue. So he has to be heterozygous for that trait, because they are looking at the first two offspring. So it's going to be heterozygous. The man is going to be heterozygous. That means capital R and small r. So the first two offspring is going to be capital R and capital R, capital R, small r, and capital R, small r, if you use the Punnett square. Now, we have 4 chances of having an offspring in the box in the Punnett square. So if you look at the first child, he has capital R, small r, means that he can roll his tongue. The second one too, capital R, small r, it means that the person too can roll the tongue. So they have half chances of being able to roll their tongue. So the first box indicates half chance for that individual. The second box indicates half chance for that individual. So when you multiply them together, it gives you 1/4.
If you're taking JAMB UTME 2026, you should be in our online classes. We have expert teachers, expert and passionate teachers who want to help you excel, who want to help you ace JAMB UTME. If you are serious about acing JAMB UTME, scoring really high in 2026 JAMB UTME, send me a WhatsApp message now using this number that you can see on the screen. Send me a WhatsApp message now and join us. The fee is just 2,000 naira per subject per month. You can register for as many subjects as you can afford. You can register for the 4, 2, or 3, 1 subject. Send us a WhatsApp message and ace your exam this year. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys in class very soon.
So area in this graph will give me the distance.
Welcome to JAMB Tutorials Online Academy, where dreams take flight. JAMB Tutorials Online Academy, the place to be. Excellence in life. for you and me.